In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to type in chat on Roblox on your Xbox in-game. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. On your computer and on your phone, you can type in Roblox by opening up the chat and just typing your message as usual. Likewise, you can also use voice chat on your computer or mobile if your account is verified. However, on the Xbox version of Roblox, you might notice that you only have access to the voice chat. It's an integrated voice chat system that all Xbox players have access to talk to their friends and party members. However, it's impossible to open up the chat in Roblox on your Xbox. This is because, as of today, Roblox does not have a text chat for Xbox players, and you are only able to speak in the integrated voice chat system that they allow you to talk to your friends and party members. As of today, it is currently impossible to use text chat in Roblox on your Xbox. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's not possible to talk through text on Roblox on your Xbox. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.